What is up, YouTube? Hey, YouTube. Alright, guys. This is the first video on the channel, so I don't really know what I'm talking about, but we're going to try and do an intro. First intro, so this is probably the 30th rendition I've had in my mind. We're making a drain today. This is just for a massive pond. It's just a water runoff. We're just replacing it because the old one got rusty. So we're replacing the bottom quarter of the sides, whole bottom rung, and just getting rid of, like, I think it's 1 inch screen. We're just putting rebar 1.5 inches apart on center. So yeah, this is first video. We're gonna, try and get through this, try and post builds. Here's the video.
And that's the video. I just went through, finished editing. This is actually filmed last year. I just never got around to editing and putting it online. So I don't have any measurements. So unfortunately, I'll try and be better with that. Most videos I'll have measurements either in the description or just popping up on the video like I did with like the next day and stuff. So that's the video. I'm going to try and be posting more. By that, I mean, obviously more than just one video. I got another video edited. I'm going to film that voiceover and just finish editing that up. Should be out later this week, if not next week. But thanks everybody for watching. Comment down suggestions if you have any like realistic feedback or just anything that can help me. Obviously I'm not the greatest editor, so let me know if there's any suggestions. Comment down below. Thanks.